Talisman Sabre officially began on the 8th of July with the field training exercise.
Station calling, this is Echo Fist, Lima Charlie.
Is one of those unique exercises that shows a combined effort between us and a long-standing allied partner in the Australian Armed Forces. In this scenario, we're fighting against an enemy that has occupied area that's not theirs, and we're demonstrating by executing an actual amphibious assault and projecting power from the sea through a combined forcible entry operation to pull attention away from the main effort, then attack inland, over land, in land combat operations. You're going to see helo-borne attacks at the company and battalion level, as well as mechanized company attacks throughout the area against entrenched enemy and notional enemy tanks and rolling stock and other tracked vehicles.
Yes, clear. Loud and clear.